This is absolutely fabulous. We've got some lovely chicken there, potatoes, onions, garlic. Certain way of cooking it, we're going to sort of layer it up in the pan. Takes a little while. Is it worth it? Oh yeah. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what you're looking at there is a 1 kg or a 2.2 pound chicken. I've cut that up into nice chunky pieces. The bone is in, the skin has been taken off. So we have a mixing bowl there, and I've got some wheat flour here. We're going to go with 1, 2, 3, 4 heaped tablespoons. Then we're going to season it with some black pepper and salt. I'm then going to be adding like 2 teaspoons of cumin, turmeric, and chili powder. You can change this if you want, get some other spices in there, entirely up to you. Okay, so we've mixed that up. We're just going to get our chicken parts and we're just going to dust it with the seasoned flour. Like so, stick it on a plate. Okay, you can discard this now. We're just going to deal with this chicken and we're simply just going to fry it off. So in a skillet or some sort of pan or something, I've got some oil. There's not loads in there, we're not deep frying this. I'm using a sunflower oil and we're on a below medium heat. I've just put that on so it's not going to make any sizzling noise right now. But we're going to get our chicken in. And we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes on each side. I'll be flipping it a few times, but like I say, below medium, you don't want it too high at all. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass you can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Okay, so we've got some very, very beautiful looking chicken there. We're gonna take it out and set it aside for the moment. But that really is lovely. I mean, you could eat that chicken just like that if you want. That's really good. Next up, we're going to be adding, let me just grab a spoon, 2 cups of onion, 1 tablespoon garlic, back into that oil. That's got some beautiful flavors in it. And we're going to stay low as well. We're not going to go high at all, so keep it nice and gentle. And we're going to cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes. Really beautiful. Now, if you wanted, I'm not going to, but maybe you can get some cardamom pods in there or some other sort of spice. I'm keeping it nice and simple. Some more black pepper. A little bit of salt. And then here I've got some potatoes which I've peeled and I've cut them, you know, nice and thin. What we're going to do is we're going to just start to layer these up. So that was about 3 cups of potatoes, or 2 kind of decent sized potatoes there. What we're going to do now is we're going to get our chicken and we're going to put this back on top. Like so. Any little bits of juices, let's get it back in there, let's not waste it. And the next step is we're going to add some stock. I've got some chicken stock here. We're going to pour that in. You want it to at least go over all of the potatoes. At least. You can see I'm going over the potatoes. Plus, we're going to get this onto a simmer. We're going to get a lid on that. And we want the potatoes to cook nicely, so it might be 12 to 15 minutes, depending on how thin you've cut your potatoes. So lid on, nice and low, 15, 20 minutes. Okay, I've just turned the heat off and you can see the potatoes are really nice and soft. What we're going to do is is we're going to fetch out the chicken again, set that aside, and then we're going to serve the potatoes and onions and then place the chicken on top of it. This really is super, super delicious. So you can see that the potatoes and the beautiful sauce has been put on the bottom, the chicken on top, and then I just finished that off with some cilantro or coriander. You can put some parsley or different herb on there if you want. That really, really, really is wonderful. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.